Alright guys, Paul here, rocking a badass beard and also my JJ Customs hat. I've just had the Mojave out, absolutely awesome, honestly guys. An insane blast. I've not out for a while, absolutely flat out, so I've got all the footage for you, but I've just literally been finishing up here and I'll show you just now. On my way back down to where my van is, about this little area here, just where you see the sort of fork in the road, and I nailed it absolutely flat out right to here, and I was about to turn around and the Mojave just gave up. So I was thinking to myself, what's wrong? His opinion came loose or something? I've never seen this happen before. Get a state of the teeth on that pinion, but the diff's absolutely disintegrated. See it, let's try and get this camera in for you to see. See how it's sitting there, the bearings collapsed, all the gunk and everything in there. I've tried to put my finger in there, I can't touch anything, it's roasting hot, I've literally burnt my finger. All the oil there everywhere, just parts lying everywhere, so I'm going to have to strip this down and rebuild it. But I mean, up till then the Mojave's been going fantastic. Does need a new shell. This shell's took an absolute beating since the time I've had the car, but yeah, that was interesting. So I'll get back home, got a bit of work on this. I'll probably show you, do another video of this once I've got it stripped down and show you actually the damage in full. But yeah, hope you enjoy this little video of this bash. It was absolutely amazing, great fun with this car. But yeah, it looks like I need a new centre diff, so catch you guys in the next one, bye.